In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Jira Error 503 step by step using simple and proven methods that work in 2026. A 503 error in Jira usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, and this can be really frustrating when you're trying to manage tasks, boards, or sprints. The good news is that most of the time, this issue can be fixed in just a few minutes without any advanced technical knowledge. I'll walk you through exactly what to check in the right order so you don't waste time guessing. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Jira and software troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should always try when you see a Jira Error 503 is to log out of your account and then log back in. This might sound simple, but it often resolves temporary session or authentication issues. To do this, click on your profile icon in Jira, choose Log Out, and fully close the browser tab. Wait a few seconds, then open Jira again and sign back in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, try accessing your project, board, or calendar again and see if the error is gone. If the issue was caused by a temporary session problem, this step alone may fix it. If logging out and logging back in does not fix the problem, the next and very important step is to check the Jira system status. Open a new browser tab and go to status.atlassian.com. This page shows the real-time status of all Atlassian services, including Jira Software, Jira Service Management, and Jira Cloud. Look for any ongoing incidents, outages, or degraded performance warnings related to Jira. If Jira is experiencing a service outage, there is nothing wrong on your side, and the best thing to do is wait until Atlassian resolves the issue. This step is extremely important because it can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting time. If Jira status shows everything is operational, the next thing to try is opening Jira in an Incognito window or using a different browser. Incognito mode disables most extensions and uses a fresh session, which helps rule out browser-related problems. Open an incognito or private window, log into Jira, and check if the error 503 still appears. If it works fine in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by a browser extension, cache data, or cookies. In that case, you can clear your browser cache, disable extensions one by one, or switch to a different browser for Jira. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to check your VPN or network connection. VPNs, firewalls, or restrictive networks can sometimes block or interfere with Jira servers, resulting in a 503 error. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and reload Jira. You can also try switching to a different network, such as using a mobile hotspot, to see if the problem is network-related. If Jira works on another network, you'll know the issue is coming from your original connection or VPN configuration. After trying all these steps, most Jira Error 503 issues are usually resolved. To quickly recap, log out and log back in, check the Atlassian status page, try incognito mode or another browser, and finally check your VPN or network settings. These steps cover the most common causes of this error and work for the majority of users. If this video helped you fix Jira Error 503, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Jira tutorials and software fixes, and share this video with anyone else who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.